In God alone my peace depends on Him, and in that place of quiet rest He fills me from within. He pours on me His holy oil, the Spirit of the living God. Then He takes me by His hand and comforts me with His love, comforts me with His love. Those who wait upon the Lord, whose strength He gives to them, He gives them wings like the eagle, that they might soar with Him. He weaves His strength into their lives, the Spirit of the living God. Then He gives them all of His peace to guard their hearts and their minds, guarding their hearts and minds. Come, my soul, now take your rest, find your peace in Him. The holy presence of the Lord that fills you from within. Oh, pour on me your holy oil, Spirit of the living God. Fill my cup, Lord.